Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Are you ready to give your home a major makeover without breaking the bank? Today, I've got 10 budget-friendly home decor hacks that will totally transform your space. From easy DIY projects to savvy shopping tips, we've got everything you need to create a stylish home on a budget. So grab your glue gun and let's get decorating. Hack 1: Thrift store finds. One person's trash is another person's treasure, right? Hit up your local thrift stores and flea markets to score some amazing deals on unique home decor pieces. From vintage vases to retro lamps, you never know what kind of hidden gems you might find. Plus, repurposing old items is not only budget-friendly but also great for the environment. Get creative and give old items a new lease on life. Hack 2: Paint magic. Paint is every DIY decorator's best friend. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform a room and give your home a whole new look. Don't be afraid to get bold with color or try out different painting techniques like ombre or stenciling. And the best part? Paint is super affordable and easy to work with, making it the perfect budget-friendly decor hack. Hack 3: DIY wall art. Who says you have to spend big bucks on art for your walls? Get crafty and create your own unique pieces of art. From abstract paintings to framed fabric, the possibilities are endless. Check out some tutorials online for inspiration and let your creativity flow. Not only will your walls look fabulous, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you created something one of a kind. Hack 4: Upcycled furniture. Why buy new when you can upcycle old furniture into something fabulous? Give that tired old dresser a makeover with a fresh coat of paint and new hardware. Or, turn an old door into a chic headboard for your bed. Upcycling is not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to add personality and character to your home. Get creative and see what you can come up with. Hack $5 store decor. Who says you have to spend a fortune to have stylish home decor? Head to your local dollar store and be amazed at the treasures you can find for just a few bucks. From mirrors to votive candles, you'll be surprised at the variety of items available. Get creative and think outside the box to turn dollar store finds into chic decor pieces that will impress your guests. Hack 6: DIY pillows. Pillows are a quick and easy way to update your home decor, but they can be pricey. Instead of splurging on designer pillows, why not make your own? Grab some fabric, a sewing machine, or needle and thread, and get to work creating unique throw pillows that reflect your personal style. Mix and match patterns and textures for a look that's totally yours. Hack 7: Mirrors for light and space. Mirrors are a budget-friendly decorator's best friend. Not only do they reflect light and make a room feel more spacious, but they also add a touch of glamour to any space. Hang mirrors in strategic places to maximize their impact, such as across from a window to bounce natural light around the room. You'll be amazed at the difference a few well-placed mirrors can make. Hack 8: Indoor plants. Greenery is a surefire way to add life and color to your home decor. Indoor plants not only look beautiful, but also help purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Plus, they're super budget-friendly and easy to care for. Whether you prefer succulents, ferns, or flowering plants, there's a perfect indoor plant for every space in your home. Hack 9: Textile touches. Adding textiles to your home decor is a great way to cozy up your space without spending a fortune. Think throw blankets, area rugs, and accent pillows in plush fabrics like faux fur or velvet. Textiles not only add warmth and softness to your decor, but also help tie the room together and create a cohesive look. Mix and match textures and colors for a layered, cozy feel. Hack 10: Personal touches. Last but not least, don't forget to add personal touches to your home decor. Display photos of loved ones, showcase souvenirs from your travels, or incorporate items that reflect your hobbies and interests. Your home should be a reflection of you, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your decor choices. Not only will your home look stylish and unique, but it will also feel like a true reflection of who you are. And there you have it, 10 budget-friendly home decor hacks that will take your space from drab to fab in no time. Whether you're on a tight budget or just love a good DIY project, These tips will help you create a home that's stylish, inviting, and uniquely yours. So grab your tools and get decorating. Your dream home is just a hack away. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.